Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan, where I simplify life and business and help you become your higher and better self. Today I'm going to talk about this one thing that if you fixed it, it would cause so much relaxation and so much ease in your life. You know, right now it's messing up how people perceive you, it's messing up how things go for you, and we don't even realize it. It's invisible and it's hurting us. So what you need to recognize is that there's a lot of distraction. There's a lot of things that are causing you to lose your focus. There's so much going on right now, and here's the bigger problem. We didn't learn how to focus. We couldn't learn it from our teachers and our parents unless they knew how to do it. But most of them didn't know how. They didn't learn it in school. We didn't learn it in school. So how is it possible that we can keep our focus? And you know, there's so much distraction and so much uncertainty here today. And even just yesterday, I was in a mastermind call, and that was one of the topics. It was about losing focus and being distracted and what to do about that. You know, all the notifications and all the all the shiny objects, all the shiny things that are saying, come and look at me and deal with me, or I have a solution for you. And these are all distractions. They take you off track. They take you away from what you're focusing on, your priorities. And without focus, you could end up anywhere. True? You know, isn't that right? Like if you're just moving along and reacting to whatever's coming your way, whatever's in your inbox and whatever's showing up in your social networks, whatever problems other people have, and you're dealing with that all day, and then you try to find time to focus on you and what matters to you, guess what? You just lost your whole day, pretty much. So there's two things that happen when you get focus. You become proactive and less reactive. And once you do that, then things can really start shifting for you. And one of the easiest ways, and the one I suggested yesterday in this mastermind, was to have a plan. Because when you have a plan and you put it in front of you and you commit to it and that you're going to accomplish certain things in your day, then you have a 99% chance of feeling good because you're going to focus on that. I mean, imagine it. What if you had a plan, and there's a 12-week planner that I absolutely love, and you can grab it. I'll include it below here. But this 12-week planner, what if you had that up in your calendar, and all you did was focus on what's on your plan and what's in your calendar, and that's it. And the distractions that came in, unless they're high priority, unless they're urgent, unless it has to do with your people, your team, or somebody in your family and it's an emergency, that you just leave it aside for now. That's it. What if you could do that and get your focus? Because if you don't have focus, you're wavering, and it's like a meandering river. That's it. You know, the thing that you need to do is start controlling your mind, controlling your actions, controlling your thoughts. And when you do, then you have greater focus. You have a greater potential for getting the things you want done. So like I said earlier, there's a 12-week planner, and I'm including it below. I've created this. It's amazing. I mean, it's so sophisticated. I mean, you could easily pay $1,000 for this thing, but I'm giving it to you below. If you want it, grab it, use it. You need to implement it. If you don't implement it, you're not going to have focus. If you don't have focus, you're not going to feel good. And other people are going to perceive you as somebody who's disorganized and can't get things done. And that's not a good thing. You know, if you want to be able to move forward in life and become a better version of yourself. So, be somebody who's going to focus. Grab the 12-week planner and start getting more focused today. You'll see how your life will change. It's going to improve dramatically when you do. All right, so do your best to help control mental blindness disease and think differently and do different things. If you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, head there and grab some other videos that will help you become your better, higher and better self. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.